Ceasefire announced and within hours, explosions. After weeks of tension among USA, Israel and Iran, a fragile pause, a ceasefire was being talked about. Almost immediately, reports of fresh strikes in Lebanon started surfacing. And guess what? This is not random. Israel is not directly fighting Iran on its borders. It is targeting Hezbollah, Iran's most powerful ally inside Lebanon. So why continue strikes even during a ceasefire? Because for Netanyahu, this is not just about a ceasefire. It is about eliminating threats before they regroup. From Israel's perspective, a ceasefire with Iran does not automatically mean safety from Hezbollah. So ceasefire does not really guarantee complete peace. So is this a violation of the ceasefire agreement that US and Iran had? Well, it depends on the terms and conditions that were put in when the ceasefire was announced and which is mostly unclear to the public. If Hezbollah wasn't part of the deal, then these strikes may not technically break it. But as per the sources, ईरान के जो 10-point proposal plan था उसमें one of the points यही था कि इजराइल की strikes बंद होनी चाहिए हिजबुल्ला पे and Lebanon में. ईरान has already seen this as an escalation. उन्होंने fresh strikes की हैं मिडल ईस्ट में on कुवैत and UAE. And Strait of Hormuz जो कुछ घंटे के लिए ओपन था वापस से बंद कर दिया गया है. Ceasefire or not, one thing is very clear that Netanyahu is not somebody जो किसी के orders मानेगा वो वही करेगा जो उसके लिए सही है जो उसकी country के लिए best है. And that's why even after a ceasefire announcement he made fresh strikes in Lebanon.